Everyone, it's Kimberly Shipley. I hope everybody's doing great and having a blessed night. I wanted to share with everybody right now. First, I want to share about and say thank you to someone that got me some on Amazon. And then I want to share with y'all about some of my things I got for our Christmas. I'm not going to hang it up. You're going to wait till like Thanksgiving weekend. Thursday on Thanksgiving Day, we got to go to my brother's. We're going to go see my aunt. She now lives with my brother. She used to live in my town. My brother now lives in Louisville, so I've got to travel. It's almost a 2-hour drive to go from where I live out to Louisville. And so anyway, but my aunt used to live in my hometown, but anyway, now she resides with my brother, living with him. My aunt's almost coming close to 80 years old. So anyway, I'm gonna get to go see her for the first time, and well, actually, since my husband's funeral, her and my brother came down for that. And that was the last time I've got to see her in person. Of course, we talk either almost every day to every few days. So we keep in touch a whole lot. My aunt lived beside of me, and she was at my home almost every day as I was growing up. I lived with my dad, my grandparents. Well, my mom lived with us too until my parents divorced. And then anyway, my mom moved somewhere else. So my aunt was always there when I was growing up too. So anyway, so I'm going to do that on Thanksgiving Day, me and Caleb is. And then the day after that, on Friday, we're going to go to my husband's mom's house in Brentwood and Caleb's grandma, and we're going to have Thanksgiving at her house on Friday. So probably I'd say Saturday or Sunday of that weekend, we're going to start decorating around here for Christmas. And so I wanted to share, it's not going to be a complete Grinch, but I wanted to share it's going to be a lot of it, the Grinch. So anyway, I want to share some things that I had got on Amazon prior that I had put it on my Amazon wish list, and some things I have purchased of the Grinch, so to go on our tree. So anyway, let's first start out here. This, it was a shirt I had got. Actually, I wore it today, and let's see. Supposed to, huh? Well, I had the name here at the side, and I cannot seem to find it. Hang on, everyone, because that may have been the wrong one I set to the side. And it is, and I am so sorry. I've got 2 packages in the mail recently. One was some medication that I had ordered on Amazon. I think I have messed up, and I did. And I'm so sorry. And the person that got this, I am so grateful. I love this shirt. They are actually a new subscriber. I remember it said that, and this is the shirt. Very beautiful. I put some on my wish list because I had noticed, and I hadn't even realized it, that I had more shirts like with things on them. And, like print, Back to the Future, so, something on the shirt. And I'm like, I don't have hardly no solid shirts. And, for really going out and things like that, more for an everyday or, just if you're running the store maybe or something, but nothing to really go out in. I'm more of a solid colored shirt. If I'm really going out, I'm like, I went to my closet and looked, I'm like, I don't know what's happened to everything, but I don't have hardly no solid clothes no more that I would like to, get a little bit more dressier to go up in. Now, I ain't going to say like a night out of the town to go out in, but, more of a just a solid color to get out and go out in and stuff. And I'm like, so I put that on Amazon. So I am so, so, so grateful for that purchase. I can't thank you enough for the person that got that. Thank you so, 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 so much. And now let's go ahead and start. And again, I just want to say I am very proud of the shirt. A lot of the stuff I put on Amazon, if you see on my wish list at any point, a lot of those I put on there solid colors. And that's the reason why, because again, I noticed I had shirts with strawberry shortcake or something on them that, oh, well, those are cute, I want to get them. But I have neglected to buy solid colors and to really go out in. Now this was something that was purchased by somebody on Amazon prior. I'd already mentioned something about it here on a video prior to this, but of course we hadn't used them because now Christmas is coming up. But these are some Grinch Christmas balls, and I thought they was really cute. So that's going to go on our tree. We start to decorate. And this was, I can kind of show it. It's a Grinch flag I want to put outside. I thought that was really cute. Same on each side. And it kind of, I want to leave this out because I want to show y'all something else that sort of matches that I bought. Okay. Now this ain't Grinch, but this is Caleb. His grandma ordered it for him at one point, a couple of years ago, I think it was. But it has Caleb's name on it. And so this is his stocking we use. I just wanted to share the stocking with you. I had it out anyway. Now, I can't, let me stand up to show y'all this. This was also an Amazon purchase, the Grinch. So it's a tree skirt. So ain't that so cute? Of course, I'll go around the tree. And okay, now I know this ain't a Grinch, but I always loved, of course, I want to add some other decorations on the tree, just not only Grinch, but the main focus will be Grinch. And I thought this was so cute, I couldn't resist to buy it. Hey, I went to see this in the theater when it came out in the 80s. Gremlins, here's a gizmo. Christmas ornament. Ain't it so cute? And I mean, I've seen Gremlins in the theater, and I consider it a Christmas movie. And I know some people might not, but I do. I mean, some people consider Die Hard a Christmas movie, some people don't. Each your own. But I bought this, and I thought it was so cute. Now what it is, it's a Grinch's arm. And let me kind of show you this picture here it shows, and I'll give you more detail how it goes on the tree. It's a arm sticking out with an ornament. So you kind of have to picture it like this. The arms coming out of the tree. Here's Grinch's hand. He'll be holding the ornament. Of course, the ornament's kind of raveled up. I don't want to break it, but it's kind of raveled up right now. You'll have to kind of unravel it when you open it. But it's going to dingle down there to where he's holding the Christmas ornament like he's reached in the tree and stealing the ornament. And again, the flag I picked out has the same type of style. So I thought that was really cute. Actually, I wasn't even thinking about that when I had bought this. I got this a couple of days ago at Walmart. So I thought that was really neat, and they kind of match up. So anyway, again, I'll show you how it's going to kind of look when I get it in and put it in the tree. Ain't that so cute? Now, as you kind of see, profile picture there for my thumbnail. I bought a Grinch tree hugger. Of course, you can either, he's made almost like a puppet. So I could put, of course, you can't make his mouth move, but see? So you could put it, I'm not sure if my tree's going to be tall enough. This kind of looks funny, don't it? But I don't know if my tree's going to be tall enough or it's too tall. So either way it would work. So either I can use this for a tree topper. Again, I'll see. So it's like a puppet, you know. I'm going to put it on my hand. That way it just kind of shows y'all. So it goes that far up. So it's going to stay. My finger is right here. So it's going to stay, you know. We use it as, right, Mr. Grinch? He says yes. Yes. And anyway, but I think my tree is probably too tall. So that's where the hugging comes in. Do you love me, Mr. Grinch? Will you give me a hug? Aw, he's so sweet, isn't he? See, he ain't too bad of a Grinch after all. Are you? Are you a bad Grinch? I won't look. You can tell everybody. I don't know what he said. Y'all know what he said. Right? But anyway, so I thought that was really cute. And so if I can't add him as the tree topper to go over it, he's going to be at the top hugging the tree and reaching in and stealing ornaments with his hand. So anyway, I got those extra for the tree. I've got more ornaments out. I'll have to check my lights for the tree, you know, Christmas lights, and see if how they're all working. You know, you never know from one year to the next whether your lights still work or they don't work or what. So anyway, so I got to go through those and check that. But hey, what, we got about another week and a half. So anyway, we'll get it all taken care of. So I don't want to keep everybody tonight. My throat's getting a little dry, so I just wanted to get on here and show everybody what I have getting ready for Christmas. And some little new ornaments I bought. Wanted to say thank you for the shirt and just kind of let everybody see the little new things I've got that we're going to be decorating around for Christmas. So I hope everybody has a wonderful afternoon, and God bless each and every one of y'all. Look out for my next video. It's coming soon to a YouTube near you. And hey, by the way, if you're new, subscribe to my channel. See what the Grinch looks like on the tree in about a week and a half. Well, probably about a couple weeks. But anyway, what it is. And if you enjoy this video, click like. And comment. Say, how do you like the Grinch? Bye, everybody.